In this video, we're going to create a new project in Unity for a 2D space shooter. I have Unity Hub opened, and for the official releases, I'm going to be working on Unity 2018.3. This course, however, supports all Unity Hub versions. So whether you want to use Unity 2017, 2018, or even 2019, this course will be supported for all Unity Hub versions. So download the latest version that's currently available, and then go to Projects, and we're going to create a new project. Select the new icon, and let's give our project a name. I'm going to call this Space Shooter. Once you have the project name selected, the Unity version is going to be the latest version of Unity. So 2018.3 for me, but you're more than welcome to use any version of Unity Hub. Then you're going to select a location. I typically have a Unity Projects folder location, and then the template we're going to work with is 2D. Now, before I create the project, I want to make sure that I'm logged into Unity so that I have easy access to the asset store and anything that we're going to need going forward, such as Unity Collaborate or networking services or monetization services. So here is a sign-in option. Select that, and we're going to sign in. A little prompt will display, and just select your email and password here. Hit sign in, and you're good to go. You'll see here that an organization was selected for me, and it's your name. So GameDevHQ Support is your organization, it's your username. And then here, Enable Unity Analytics, go ahead and just keep that on. Make sure the template is set to 2D, and we are on the latest version of Unity. Select Create a Project, and we're good to go. Unity is then going to compile, and I'll see you guys in the next video.